Hi friends, this is our Node.js JavaScript second section. In this section, we are going to see some basic concept of JavaScript. First concept is JavaScript is not equal to Java. Yes, JavaScript, there is no relation between JavaScript and a Java. The scripting language of Java is JSP, not JavaScript. Someone thinks that the scripting language of Java is JavaScript. Actually, there is no relationship between JavaScript and Java. Then what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language to developed for make HTML more dynamic. It was developed by Brendan Eich. He was an engineer in Netscape browser. Okay. Currently, at the initial stage, JavaScript is working only on client, that is working only on browser. But nowadays, it is work on server, that is our Node.js. Yeah, in the case of Node.js, JavaScript is work on the server side, while we are taking website website in browser. Then JavaScript working on our browser, that is client. That means at now JavaScript can work both on server and client, and the main reason for JavaScript is it can give and logic to our static HTML pages, and it can update geometry of a HTML page which was developed on a browser. The main JavaScript editors are, we can write our JavaScript code by using plain Notepad or Windows Notepad plus brackets Atom. In these sections, we are using Atom editor. This is the basic syntax of a JavaScript which work on client. See, it's a client script. Actually, we are going to learn about Node.js, which is JavaScript working on server. But to learn that, we have to study the basics of JavaScript. So first we execute the JavaScript in our client side. To execute JavaScript in client side, the JavaScript must be in HTML. That means only browser can execute client side JavaScript. Browser can understand only HTML. So we will embed our JavaScript within HTML to get the output of our JavaScript program. So this is our basic syntax of the client side JavaScript. That means we will create an HTML file. That we know that in the case of HTML, there is many tags. Everything within HTML tag. Here the opening and closing of HTML tag, then body tag, then then heading tag. We are not usually we are writing JavaScript in head within head tag. Yeah, let us see an example, right? Okay, 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 okay. We are going to write an simple hello world JavaScript program. First, we will start HTML tag, then we will close it. Sorry. Then within that HTML tag, we will open the head and close it. Then body. Within body tag, we write the design of HTML file. In this case, we are not going to into it. We are writing JavaScript in head section. Then to write the JavaScript, our script must be in script tag. Yeah, in HTML there is a tag called script. This tag is used for including JavaScript. That means our JavaScript must be within this script tag, right? Okay, since script tag, then we will write. We can write our JavaScript code here within this script tag. Okay, for example, yeah, and in the case of JavaScript, there are two output functions. Output function means which the program which we can show the output to the human to us, output to us. There is alert alert and console dot log, right? Okay. In the alert box, we will in the alert, in the case of alert, it will show the output as a alert box in a HTML in browser. Console.log means the output it will show the just like on the console. Let us see an example. We will write on the alert box hello dude. Okay. In the case of console, we write hello console dude. Then let us see its output. Okay, we write on JavaScript. We will write JavaScript on. We just write JavaScript on HTML file. Let us see its example output. Hello. Then before that, we have to save the file as a HTML. Save as a name.html. Then we have saved. Yeah, there's a folder system. Then let us see the output. Right click and to see the output of a client-side JavaScript file, we should open it in any browser. In our case, we are opening. Okay. Then it shows the output hello dude. Then see, we cannot see the output of a console. Okay, we can see output of only alert here. If you want to see the output of a console, we should take the console. We can take console by right click and inspect. Then we can show the console. In the console, see hello console do. Then just let us change the file. Change the file hello do 2 and 2 and save it, and in browser we will refresh it. Yes, see, alert is coming and the console is changed. This is the basic syntax of a JavaScript in client side. Okay, I think there are some confusions in your mind. That's not a problem. By checking the next section, your all confusions will solve. Okay, anyway, thank you for your time. Okay, bye.